Aha. Oh, wait. See, almost did it again. Welcome back, guys, to the KicknGravel Bitcoin market update. Today is Thursday, January 3rd, 2019. Oh, I almost did it. I almost said it. It's 2019. All right, let's dive in to the markets. BTC USD on the 1-day Coinbase chart. Cheers to you guys. We got a little slippage. Some slippage here. I kind of was anticipating this just because I'm pretty down on the markets. When I look at the week chart, check this out. If you want to make a cup and handle or something, you're going to need to finish this candle out low and then come up high, right? So if you want the week to form a cup and handle, at least like this, let's just throw one in here real quick. All right, so if you want that to form, you're gonna have to do it like that, okay? Or something like that. Probably start here. But that would be your cup and handle for the week chart, which could be a nice, real nice reversal. Notice that our 200-day moving average is slowly creeping up. I like that. That's okay. Let's check this out just a little bit further. Yeah, I would love to see some upward momentum here in this market. That would be awesome. But I've been kind of down on it because this still, to me, looks like an awful lot like a dead cat bounce, right? Before we go lower, doesn't it? That, you know, that right there, a picture says 1,000 words, and I think, you know, it's putting on a good face right now. But this whole trading sideways thing, if I look at the 1-day chart, is pretty awful, right? I don't know why people keep thinking this is the inverse head and shoulders. I guess it could be, but to me, when this candle turned red, I was like, this is not good. This is really not good. And now we're flirting with going below the 9-day again. So yeah, not really. There it is. We are below the 9-day. So I mean, you can't make this stuff up, man. Okay, so let's look at the indicators. We're coming down on volume, not good. RSI, though it is going up, it is very weak. Looks like it wants a death cross again. We have a death cross in money flow. Okay, so money's leaving the space and you look like this. Boy, you know what? I don't know. We got to get a rally here soon, but I think we're going for a retest of that low. I've said that before, and I'll write it out there again. But yeah, it's gonna be, things are looking odds on favorite to go down. That's just me. Excuse me. All right, XRP BTC. XRP slipping, not good. But if you're looking at the XRP chart, Ripple to Bitcoin on the 1-day Binance, and you want to trade this, this is how you trade it. You trade it not against the 9, you trade it against the 50, because the 50-day moving average is what it really loves to work against. So right here in this position, it's a sell. It's probably coming out here lower. It's a sell on the 9-day, obviously. But it's a buy if you're looking at it from the 50-day point of view, and that's the one I'm really looking at here. I'm probably going to do things like this where I scalp it and then try to buy back lower. You know, scalp it again, buy back lower, scalp it here, buy back lower. Things like that would be awesome. But respecting that we have an upward momentum until we get a real break to the downside. It seems like, you know, there's the 50 again. We've passed above it, came down to retest, broke through it. It really is following the 50 more than anything. So that's okay. It's fine. It means it's a slower moving coin. We're probably going to see more opportunity out of it, but it's, you know, it's okay. XRP BTC looks a lot like this. Let's check out the USD price at 35 cents. It is bearish now currently. Let's look at these. Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish right now. A lot of mixed things going on. LTC USD on the 1-day chart. Barely bullish here. And it's just what the market's doing. It had a nice little rise up and is now trending sideways. LTC, BTC. LTC is the favorite right now, winning, but I don't know for how much longer. We've got lots of indecision here, real mixed up in the market. It's going to make a decision here soon. Ethereum, ETHUSD. Believe it or not, Ethereum has looked more bullish than anyone else. So, yeah, it's the better one. Obviously, it had the better gains, I believe, too. So, yeah, Ethereum still looking bullish. ZRX, 0x. Now it's starting to falter. Look at this, barely above that 9. We'll see what tomorrow does. Basic attention token, it's a sell still. Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic looks like a sell to me right here because of this big down red and we're below the 9. Our volume's barely hanging in there, so I'm going to say hold on to it for 1 day. It's on the cusp. You could probably sell it or not. Zetcoin. Let's see here. Zec not looking good, guys. Yeah. You know, hopefully the markets, you know, pick up tomorrow, but I would say this is looking real sellish. I need to open and close below it, so I'm going to leave it there for now. Did you buy it? Barely holding on. Just barely. I mean, good grief. I'm going to leave that there, though. Tron is the only thing actually producing and looking good so far. Yeah, I mean, we held on all through here. We didn't get an actual open and close below the 9-day, and it picked up. So our patience was rewarded here. This was our entry. We're doing really good there. Hold on to Tron. Theta. We're still in theta, but it's acting up, man. It's pulling back. Here's Proppy, Pro. Oh, Proppy, nastiness. Nasty. Let's pull this off. This is a sell. We're out of here. Stay out of it. Wow, there was our open and close. We finally got it at 4 o'clock today and then hopped onto the new candle. We were hoping for a little bit of up, at least a close above the 9-day. It couldn't do it. So I'm happy to say we're in sell territory for Proppy. Stay out of it now. Let's switch it over. Here we go. Populous. Let's check that one out. Oh, Populous holding on. Remember, we were thinking about getting out, but waited just a little bit more, and it looks like we're rewarded. You've got a better price now currently. You got your golden cross. You got your uptick in volume. It's got a better price. All we need now is a golden cross here and some money flow. You're going to see sideways action until these two start doing something. But hold on to it. I like that we have just this nice influx of volume coming in here. This is all right. So Populous, hold on. OMG, hold on to it. This is actually now a buy. I like where all the indicators are at, and I like what it's doing here. So let's just pull this up here. We did get a full open and close. That's lovely. Okay, we'll leave it there, and we're going to switch this one over to green. Just be objective about it. If it falls below, set those stops. I mean, we could have a sell tomorrow, so set those stops tight, okay? Here's Humanique. Human IQ. Everything's looking good for Humanique, and in fact, I am going to... Did we get a full open and close? Not yet. Okay, I can't do it yet. Yeah, I mean, this one was really close. I'm trying to blow... And there it is. No, it's not. It's not a buy yet. It's so close, though. It's so close. So, still a sell. Hold off on it. XLM. Stellar Lumens. Still going down to our support line here. Going to retest it. Yeah, as it looks now, this was a great time to get out. I'm glad we did. I'm glad we got out when we did. But yeah, it's coming down. So yeah, that's fine. You guys are winning if you're trading this Stellar Lumens. You're able to buy back now if you wanted to, and you'd get more Stellar Lumens than what you had before. So good deal. ADA, your patience was rewarded. ADA still running up, looking good. ADA and Tron are now the top two right now. Look at that volume. I like the gappage. That's cool. That's real sweet. We are losing on the money flow front, though. However, this could just be a little bit of a relief, and then we'll rally back up. It's done it several times before on this run up, so it's nothing to be too concerned about yet. But watch that 9-day, and let's keep an eye on this thing. ADA still a buy. Here's Tezos. Tezos is a mixed bag and not a buy. It's still a sell currently. Let's pull this back up for you. Yeah, I wouldn't get into this. Stay out of it. QLC chain has been doing real good lately, but okay, look at this. We got some money flow coming in. I like that, and our volume is still good, but we need that golden cross on RSI. So just stay in it for now. It's not a sell yet. Aeon. Aeon, how are we doing? It's still a sell. Leave it there. Don't buy it yet. We need some more of everything. Bitcoin Cash SV. Okay. This is what we were hoping for. It'd come down here, retest, and then give a nice bounce up to the top. It hasn't done that yet, however. It's holding tight, but hugging that 9-day moving average, and not, it's still below it here, but it's not a buy. Hold off on it. This is another one where it ping pongs and you can do really well, make a lot of money on it. But wait, it's not a buy yet. Wait. Doge. Let's check out Doge. Still a sell, unfortunately. This was our darling for a while. I was just throwing out some of these ideas that it could do in the future. I'm going to hold off. You know what? I'm just going to erase some of these. That would probably be best. We'll get rid of that. You guys have seen that for days and days, so I'm sure you know what's going on there. I'm going to refresh that. All right, let's move on. EOS. EOS USD is still a buy. Barely holding on though. We've got some mixed signals here with money flow, but RSI is above the 50 and volume is mediocre. So look for more sideways action out of this. Yeah, that's all I can say for now. How about Ambrosis? Still going up. Look at that thing. I mean, it's still a buy. I like it. Just hold on to it. Yeah, that's way cool. That's when I received it. If you look at the 1 hour chart, let's see what that looks like. Boom. That's when I got it. That's when it came up, pulled back. We're doing a back test of that 50-day. Look for it. It needs to go above that 50-day. It has to. I really think it needs to. So, yeah, if it doesn't pull it around, turn it around here soon, it would be a sell. Let's go back to the 1-day chart. Yeah, see how it's getting so close to that. But I'd love for it to go bullish and go above that 50-day. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. I'd love that. Let's go back into Bitcoin USD. I'm going to leave you with this chart. This is what I'm thinking currently. I know. It's heartbreaking. We wanted to see a bottom. Unfortunately, I think you're going to see lower lows. Yeah, that's my thoughts and opinions on that today. Thank you guys. God bless you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Be kind to each other. Talk to you soon. I'm out.